Hello everybody, this is Nora with XL-057, and on this video today I want to do a design inspired by Shemodern's latest video. If you guys noticed the white nail with the beautiful rose and butterfly stamping, yes, absolutely gorgeous design. So this is inspired by that latest tutorial, and these are so I'm going to use my Sharpies. Here they are. These are the only colors I have, guys. The blue and green. There was a blue that was included in this and that was dried up, so I had to throw it away. And someone had requested from my last review of Beauty Big Bang stamping place a mandala design using this place, so that's what I'm going to do. This one is XL-057. I'm going to pull an image from here. As you can see, I've already done my ring finger here. This was practicing. I am going to use Shemodern's grip gel as well as the glue gel, and also I'm using the shimmer. This is the blue green pixie pearl sparkling glitter, so gorgeous. And yes, as you can see, so I'm going to use a different image for the other two fingers. I think I'll probably be the same image on both, but I want you to see. Here I went ahead and brought you a little closer so you can see. Hopefully the camera is picking up the shimmer. The shimmer will only be on the white part, what I've chose to leave white from the image, but I'm going to try to leave some more white showing on the other two nails so the shimmer will be more obvious. And yeah, I actually went yellow in here, but you can't even barely tell it. I'm going to try to go with more contrasting positioning of my colors. And again, my Sharpie colors I'm quite limited with the colors that I have, so I'll go ahead and let's start. So let me go ahead and just give you some instructions. So I have started my nails with just a white gel polish, this Azure brand that I have, and it still has the tacky layer. I don't know if you can tell, but it is shiny. And I noticed from Tina's video, she went ahead and removed the tacky layer off of her color prior to applying the glue gel. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I think that might help for better adhesion of the product. Even though I have done it, I have applied it directly to the color with its inhibition layer and did not cause a problem. Okay, you should probably notice that makes them dull by removing the inhibition layer. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue. And I will cure this in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and I think this is the image that I'm going to go with right now. Using my Funky Fingers. This Funky Fingers polish, guys, this is from Five Below. I've been asked before. It is very cheap polish, regular polish. It's not a stamping polish, but it's a good polish for stamping that you can just pick up at Five Below. Okay, so here are both nails. I went ahead and stamped both nails. Remember that they have the tacky glue gel on the white part. And I'm going to go ahead now. I'm going to use the shimmer to do the cover on the nail for this beautiful glitter. I love this sparkling pearl. And this one is the blue green. But because I am doing the whole nail, and I'm going to go ahead and put I like to sprinkle this on my stamper and then kind of stamp it. This way it keeps it's a nice thin layer, and I find it easier to apply. So I spread that on the stamper, and I'll go ahead and stamp it on the nail. And you know what's neat about this, guys, whether you notice it or not, this is only sticking to the white part, which is where that tacky glue is on. It doesn't stick to the black image, okay, because there's nothing, unless your polish happens to be wet, but at this point I've given it enough time. And see, I have enough. I'm going ahead and cover the entire nail. I'll put a little bit more here, spread it around, and then do my index finger. This way it keeps it nice and neat. There's that pretty shimmer. Try to show you up close. It also gives it an understated texture. And yeah, my skin is dry, guys, because I'm still working. I use some acetone for cleanup, but let me go ahead now. Well, I'm going to do the coloring using my Sharpies. It's really hard for me to stay in the lines. I mean, those fine lines, and as you can tell, see, I don't have the super sharp Sharpies, but I'm trying to do my best. Okay, so I have now completed all the coloring on my images. I know it's tedious work, and you don't have to do all nails like this. I mean, you can just do the one accent nail. The next thing that she did, she went ahead and finished it with the grip gel. And what this does, guys, it protects the glitter. Any loose glitters, it's gonna keep them in place. It's gonna protect your color, and then that way when you go over with your final gel top coat, it keeps it from getting contaminated from any loose glitters. Okay, so yes, that will mean that you will probably want to keep this only for topping your nail art, and then you'll use a different gel top coat to finish everything off. And remember that when you cure this, as I showed you on my previous video, it will have a tacky layer. But if you're in it, unless this is going to be your final top coat, if you're going over again with another gel top coat, it's not necessary to wipe off the inhibition layer. I'm going to go ahead and cure these for 30 seconds. Okay, now this grip gel is cured, and I'm going to go over with my final gel top coat. And I'm going to cure it in the lamp. Okay, so here is the final result. What do you guys think? Oh, super cool. Yeah, have fun. I know, again, like I said, it could be a tedious work painting the mandala designs, but there's many of you that love this kind of stuff and find it quite therapeutical. But yeah, oh, and yeah, my pinky, my blingy, it's still holding strong, guys. It's been almost a week and a half, so it is growing, and I'm going to try to hold on for a few more days by the end of this week. So that is it, guys. If you have any questions, I'd like to thank Tina for the inspiration on her video. This is very, I really enjoyed doing this type of design. So if you guys have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.